Welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. This is going to be an update on a Tuesday, and it is Tank Week. Hey folks, as always, I put the links up at the beginning of the video. They're also in the description. You can visit me on social media. You can check out the giveaway we have going on. I'll post a card and an end title screen for that. To vote on what's in that, you can visit my Patreon page. You don't have to join, or you can join and support the channel. But today is going to be a little bit of some update stuff, and we're going to look at this new thing I got for drilling some holes. So I have not been on top of my videos, and it turns out that there was a mix-up with some of my medications, so I haven't felt my chipper self and the need to do things, but I have worked that out. I feel a lot better, so I hope to get more accomplished. Also, the live stream for the Turpits will continue at some point this week. I'm going to get that back on, but that's it for that news, and we're going to talk about what we're going to talk about right now. So if we take a look at this camera, we're looking at this Dremel Micro. Now, I find the need that I have to drill a lot of holes, and I don't like to do it at high speed, and my pin vise is just not up to par, and my rotary tool doesn't take drill bits of different sizes. I would have to have one exact size. So I looked around. This is cordless. It's rechargeable. It doesn't have a lot of power, which is what I'm looking for to drill plastic. So let's take a look here at what we have. So it's a very small handheld device. We got a charging cradle, battery, we got some accessories, and that's it for that box. So here's what we got. We got a little accessory box, which is about normal for Dremel stuff. It actually came off, so stuff I probably won't use. Cutoff wheel, maybe use that. Sanders, maybe. But this is mainly for using it to drill tiny holes, and to aid that, instead of using a collet, I have gotten the 3-jaw chuck for this right here. So I can put my bit in there like so, and I'll be able to clamp a tiny bit, and of course it needs to be charged, but it can run at different speeds. So it needs to be charged, so it looks like it just plugs into a 110 socket and it sits on there and charges up. But I got this. Expect to see it in future videos, especially on the North Carolina, because I have some holes to drill in some of the resin parts to make stuff fit, and I think that this is going to give me the type of precision that I'm looking for here in a lightweight instead of a full-size Dremel. And then I was going to use a flex shaft Dremel, but it wobbles a little bit, and for tiny drill bits they're just going to break. This has super slow speed, 5,000 RPM, tiny speed, so it should work for drilling tiny holes that aren't that deep. So we're going to give it a test run in future videos. You'll see a full review of it after I do that. It's not very expensive. I think it's like $40 on Amazon, so you can get a bigger bundle with more accessories, but I find the Dremel accessories aren't very helpful in scale modeling. There are accessories you can get aftermarket or extra bits that are fantastic for scale modeling, but the stuff that normally comes with the Dremels, they're not the best in the world. So I'm still going to be using my rotary hand tool. I'll still be using that. I'll use this mainly as a drill. So drill gun, or thing to drill holes. So, but like I said before, it's take week. We are going to finish. Hopefully, we're going to finish the King Tiger build from TACOM, the review build that we're doing of that, and we're going to talk about the Panthers a little bit, and we're going to throw in a little history later this week, and we are going to throw in the Turpits in a live stream. So that's going to do it for this update video. For Crazy Gamer Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day.